Hey guys, what's up, the Best Channel here, and today we're going to be unboxing some, I don't know what, but yeah, let's get into it. I think it's going to be a photo. Yes. Oh, it's a couple of photos. Thanks, lightsaber. So yeah, here, first off, here we have Johnson's Scania Irizar coach, red YN08JAO, and obviously I have got a model of that one, and I've been on the one in real life. So yeah, here's the front of the image, and here's the back. And here we have a baker's coach, but not the baker's in Morton Marsh. They're somewhere else, but I don't know where. And yeah, Reg BN63NYC, New York City. It went from there though, and it's a King Long. No idea what type of King Long though. And yeah, here's the front, and here's the back. I haven't seen Henschel's King Long in a while. The red one, that's an ex-Leon's. I wonder where that's gone. And yes, I am running out. No, not running out. Losing my voice too. Yeah. And now here we have a Pullum's coach from Bourton on the Water, and obviously I did go to their depot. So yeah, here's the front, and here's the back. Reg. WB MB18. What is it gonna be? Could be WB18ENZ or MB18ENZ, but I think it is W, and I think this photo was taken at Donington of last year. So yeah, obviously the 2018 show bus. So yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, here's the front, and here's the back if I didn't show you that already. And last but not least, we have a Johnson Bros Tours, and the number plate is Futura, because it's before it got delivered to them and in the showroom or whatever it's called, or before the owners come and collect it. So yeah, here's the front, and here's the back, and obviously it's a VDL Futura, which is quite funny. I've just been on the Johnson's VDL Futura. So yeah, they're quite nice coaches to be honest, and yeah, let's get the thumbnail now guys. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.